Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Nothing Phone 2 so Google Assistant can respond reliably. First, plug into Wi-Fi and make sure battery is above 20%. This avoids interruptions. Next, enable microphone and location permissions for the Google app. Without those, voice and contextual answers fail. Once done, set Google as your Assist app in settings right arrow apps, right arrow default apps. This tells the system to route the wake phrase to Assistant. Now you're ready for activation and voice training. You now activate and fine-tune the Assistant using voice match to improve recognition. Open the Google app, go to More, Settings, Voice, and select Voice Match. Follow the prompts to record the wake phrase 3 times in a quiet room. This trains the model to your voice and reduces false triggers. Make sure to adjust sensitivity so it responds reliably but not to background speech. Finally, enable unlocking with voice match only if you accept the reduced security trade-off. You finish by using Assistant for commands, automations, and knowing how to fix problems. Call it with the wake words or a hardware shortcut, then command actions like calls, messages, navigation, or smart home control. Create routines in the Google Home app to run multiple actions with one phrase. If Assistant fails, clear the Google App Cache, verify microphone and location permissions again, and reboot. If recognition is still poor, retrain voice match in a quieter environment. This usually solves accuracy issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.